How to add YouTube on dock. It depends from browser to browser. I'll show you this on multiple browsers. Let's start off with Safari. On Safari, as you can see, I've already opened up YouTube, but how do I add it to dock? It's very simple. On the top left corner, you can see there are multiple options, but we want to go to File, click on File. Over here, if you come down, you have an option to add to dock. If I click on that, it's going to ask me to rename it. If I want to just say YT instead of YouTube, I can do that as well. And as you can see, it has added itself as dock. So if I quit Safari and then click on YT, YouTube is automatically going to open up for me. That is one way to do it. And secondly, if you go to your apps or launchpad, you can also see it over here. So it is going to actually function as an app as well, but it is just actually opening up a website. If you're on any other browser, you can go to, let's say, Brave, type in youtube.com. This is going to be the same for Brave as well as Chrome, because Brave is based on Chrome. So if I want to download this as an application, here you can see there is an icon which says download or install YouTube. So just click on that icon, click on install, and it has downloaded YouTube as an application. Again, it is just running a website through Brave, but now I have two applications called YouTube on my Mac, and that is neat. I prefer the Brave version over the Safari version because it just looks neater, but that is how you do it. And if you want to have this application on dock, you can either drag and drop it to dock, and that is about it. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.